look great.
Oh,
Amazing, actually.
thank you. I feel like people normally just say that to like get my attention or because they want something out of me.
What do you mean by most people? Nora?
You know what I mean. Most guys.
Oh, well,
Okay,
that's,
look, I know you're nothing like that. I mean, even though we used to be so close, I feel like we haven't really given each other the time we deserve.
I mean, hey, you've got all the time we need. And I mean, like, being with you here right now is like, I don't know, like one of the coolest things ever to me. And, you know, I've been waiting my entire life, you know, just to spend this time with you. I mean, come on, the truth is, I'd do anything for you.
I guess I'm just nervous. I mean, it's been so long since we've seen each other. I still want to know how you've been, where you've been.
Okay, well, how am I going to tell you on an empty stomach? Are you ready to order?
Yeah, actually, I'm starving. I've been fasting recently.
You think you run fast? I destroy you in a race. Oh, look who's talking. Okay, Nora, I promise you, it wasn't that funny. Nora, that's not really how you order. Nora? Oh my God! Nora, are you okay? Someone help, please! Oh, okay, I need you to tell me what's going on. Oh, you're inhaling. Okay, good. Why are you so? Okay, here. Oh, God. Why, girlfriend? Why?
Did you call me your girlfriend?
I'm sorry.
I mean, it's not that like I don't want you to. It's just that I figured ever since you moved away, you didn't really want us to be together.
Are you kidding me? I waited for you like every damn day. I was just, I was too scared to like hit you up or something like that.
I've been waiting on you this whole time.
So then why did you say anything, damn it?
I would look like an idiot if I said something.
So do you want to be my
I already told you.
And?
Yes, you idiot.
I never knew how much I'd be miscalled an idiot every now and then. So.
How about we go back to your place?
Well, hold on a goddamn minute and let's just run it back real quickly, okay? You said keep up, but shit, I ain't that damn fast. We haven't even eaten yet.
Go back and watch a movie.
Oh. You know what? Don't worry about that. Yeah, let's go. So really good news. I don't know how to cook, but I'm almost positive YouTube does.
YouTube? Why YouTube? We can just order takeout.
You know what my mom would say if she heard you say that?
We've got takeout at the house.
Hey, that's something I would say. I like 2 pieces of pie.
It's taking so long.
It's fine, sweet, You good? Oh my God, not again. Okay. Tell me where your inhaler is, okay? Okay. Alright. Nora, you're wrong. I don't. Alright, here you go. Okay, you know what? I, honest to God, think this is so weird. I think you need to leave. Like, this is not. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. Like, are you losing your memories? Like, are you sick or something?
No, what could you do by what?
Everything in my power.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. Maybe just a little bit. Why? That's it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Well, where are you going?
I'm taking me and my annoying Good thing you can't see through the walls. Enjoy the couch.
Damn, I just got swindled out of my own bed. Like, how does that shit even happen? Like.
You okay? Just sworn I heard you talking to yourself.
Oh, I'm sorry, my fault.
Oh, you think that's funny? What if I spill my food on your
You better not, Nora.
You gotta keep up. Good night. I love you.
Love you too. Damn. I really thought that was going somewhere.